In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own e-commerce business just by copying and pasting. So a good chance you're watching this video, you want to start your own business. Now the problem with most businesses is that it involves a lot of logistics, right? You might have to have a warehouse, a lot of inventory, build a website, drive traffic to that website using paid advertising. And most people don't want to do that. I know certainly I didn't want to either when I first got started with trying to start my own e-commerce business. The cool thing about this strategy that I'm about to teach you is that you don't have to worry about any of that. All of that is taken care of for you by someone else. All you need to learn how to do is copy and paste, and I'm willing to bet you already know how to do that. The other great thing about this system is that you can do this from anywhere in the world, and because it doesn't involve a lot of those logistics and inventory and warehousing, because of that, your cost to get started is really, really low. Now, this model I've done on both eBay and Amazon. I'm going to show you today how to get started with it on eBay, and we'll go right into my computer right now. So this is eBay, obviously, but what we're doing here is we are going onto other retail websites like walmart.com, and we are finding items just like this one that are selling on both Walmart and eBay. And we're going to list these up for sale on eBay. Now, notice I said you're not going to buy the item. You're just going to list it for sale on eBay or Amazon, if that's where you're going to do it. And then after it sells, that's when you buy the item and you ship it directly to the customer. So you're not worrying about handling inventory. You don't have to have a warehouse. And because we are selling directly on eBay, you don't have to worry about building your own website or driving traffic to eBay, because eBay has customers on it who are ready to buy your items now, today. So like I said, all you have to know how to do is copy and paste. So here's my item right here. And if I come over to eBay, you can create a listing on eBay. And all you have to do is copy everything from Walmart and paste it here on eBay. So I'm going to copy the title and paste it here and click a couple buttons. And that will bring me to another screen where I can copy the photos from Walmart, paste them over here. I can copy the description, paste it over here as well. Click list item and have an item up for sale on eBay in like 3-4 minutes maybe. But here's a cool thing. We have software that actually makes this so much faster. So this is a software I use called AutoDS, and it manages my entire eBay business because I do this full time now on eBay and Amazon. This software does everything for me. It allows me to list those items. Let's say the price changes on Walmart. The price goes up. We want to make sure the price goes up on eBay as well. This will make sure that the price goes up. And if the item goes out of stock on Walmart, this will make sure the item goes out of stock on eBay for us too, automatically. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload this item. And remember, I said all you have to know how to do is copy and paste. So coming over to Walmart, I'm just going to copy this URL at the top, come here, paste that URL here, choose Walmart and click grab details. So now the only thing that I copied and pasted was the URL. One thing, that's it. And you see what it did? It pulled in the title. It pulled in the photo, it pulled in the item specifics, it pulled in the description and made it look really, really nice here. And it pulled in, it makes it look nice even on your phone. All I have to do here is click these two buttons and boom, that item is now listed on eBay. So that took what, like 5 seconds to do that. So look what you don't have to do. You don't have to worry about going out, sourcing the item, driving around, trying to find them at thrift stores or at different stores, picking them up, bringing them home, taking photos of them, writing up descriptions. No, none of that's involved here. Copy and paste the URL. You could do this from your couch, you could do this from your bed, you could do this while traveling, you could do this on vacation, whatever you want to do. As long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, you can do this, and if you can copy and paste, obviously. Now, Like I said, we're not buying these items until someone buys them from you first. So let's now assume that someone did buy one of your items. So AutoDS also will show you all your orders. So here are a bunch of our orders right here. And it gives me all the information like what they ordered, how much they paid for it, where I can now buy the item from, like Walmart or Home Depot, for instance. Look how stinking stupid simple this is. So this is an item right here. Now, obviously what I have to do is I now have to buy the item from Home Depot, enter in the buyer's shipping address, and ship it directly to the customer. And the difference in price between what I pay on Home Depot and what the customer paid me on eBay after fees, that's my profit right here. So that's how you can get up to $100 or more a day. You keep listing more of these items, you scale it up and up and up just by copying and pasting the URL, adding those items, fulfilling more of these orders, and that's how you can get to $100 or more using this model. But let's get back to here. All I'm going to do, this is the item right here. I'm clicking one button here. This is going to bring me directly to Home Depot instantaneously, directly to the item. So here's the item right here. All I have to do is click add to cart. Then I'm going to click checkout, and that will bring me to this screen where I enter in the buyer's shipping address. Now, normally in the past, what we used to do was just copy from AutoDS the address and paste over here, copy, paste. But there's this tool I really like. It's a Chrome extension. And all you have to do is click here where it says copy. That just copied the address. And now I click here, click paste, and boom. It just pasted the address for me. So in a matter of seconds, we just copied and pasted the address, which normally would have taken at least a minute to do that. So I know I said in the beginning you had to know how to copy and paste, but for this part, you just need to know how to click a bunch of buttons in order to fulfill the order. And that's it. That is the basic model of how this works. Now, obviously, there's a lot more that goes into this. I couldn't cover everything in a 10-minute video that we just did right here. So if you do want to learn more about how to do eBay dropshipping or Amazon dropshipping, dropship onto either of those platforms, I do have free trainings you can check out down below. There is an eBay training and there's an Amazon training. Both of them are free intro classes you can take to figure out if this is a good fit for you. And if you're not sure if you should be selling on eBay or Amazon, the third link will be a quiz you can take that helps you determine whether eBay is a better fit for you or if Amazon is a better fit for you. So click on that, see which one is better for you. And I'll also, at the end, during the results, give you tips on how you can get started with either eBay or Amazon, depending on what your results are. Okay, so let me now show you proof that this actually does work. So here is one of my eBay accounts right here. And you can see that I've scaled this one up to doing $76,153 in sales in just 1 month. So when I said that you can earn $100 or more per day just by copying and pasting, showing you the methods that I showed you before, here is the proof right here. Now, I know I mentioned before that we have those free trainings linked up down below. Those are intro videos on how to get started with either eBay or Amazon. But if you want to jump the line here, if you want to get a head start right now and want to take on the full program right now to start learning how to do eBay and Amazon dropshipping full time, to learn all the strategies that I do and that I know to scale up businesses like this, then you want to join my Amazon Dropshipping Titans course or my eBay Dropshipping Titans course. Those will be linked up down below as well underneath the quiz. So you can check those out. Those are the trainings that my students use. That's where I put everything I know about dropshipping into those courses. So guys, I hope you guys got some value out of this. I hope you can see now how you can just copy and paste to create an e-commerce business. So if you did get some value, make sure to smash the like button down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content about eBay and Amazon dropshipping. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.